Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I thought I'd do a video on Corona, COVID-19, talking about people who want to wear masks and have an issue with it because of people, ridiculing them over it, because I think it's wrong really. So yeah, thought I'd talk about that and people coughing on people basically. Hang on a minute, something just come up on my CCTV. Alright, I'm going to show you this. Looks like we've got ourselves a cougher. Definitely a coronavirus zombie if ever there was one. Empty toilet roll in one hand, empty spaghetti packet in the other. Probably coming for my supplies. I'm going to have to sort this one out myself, I reckon. Right, from looking at that CCTV, doesn't look armed to me, so I think I'll go light on this one. I was thinking about the helmet, but probably won't need it. So I think I will go for gas mask, pistol crossbow, cutlass, some duct tape, and a warhammer. Should sort any cougars out, I think. Right, let's go.